Hello, I'm Latanja Muhammad, founder of College Cost Cutter. Welcome to Countdown to the FAFSA, 30 days, 30 ways to maximize financial aid eligibility. We are on day 18, and if you are just joining us in this series, check out the description under this video, and you will find links to the sessions from days 1 to 17, and catch up with us. Today, we're going to talk about an additional Pell Grant opportunity. Now, a question is asked on the FAFSA about whether or not a parent was killed in the line of duty. And if that is the case, there are additional opportunities for more Pell Grant funding. And so the really important piece of this is for the student as well as the parents to understand who qualifies for this category. And so anyone who was on active duty on or after 9/11/2001 in the armed forces, Army, Navy, Air Force, Marines, Coast Guard, or Space Force would qualify if they were unfortunately killed in the line of duty. Also, what a lot of families may not be aware of is that a public safety officer will also qualify. Public safety officers include law enforcement officers, police officers, firefighters or chaplains, FEMA employees, emergency management or civil defense agency employees, members of a rescue squad or ambulance crew, such as EMTs, and others defined by the Omnibus Crime Control and Safe Streets Act of 1968. So please make sure that everyone completing the FAFSA, the student and the parent, understand who the qualifying people are who can potentially give the student this additional Pell Grant benefit for those who served their country and their community and who unfortunately lost their lives in the line of duty. So that's our tip for today. Thank you so much for joining us. Please remember to like and share and subscribe. Invite others to hear this very important and timely information. Join us next time for Countdown to the FAFSA, 30 days, 30 ways to maximize financial aid eligibility. And we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.